And then only some of them know, some of them who live in Seoul or somewhere near center, they know what is b-boy and what is spinning on their head, something like that. Because usually when you ask a person, oh, what's breakdance? Yeah, of course, know those guys who spin on their heads. But it's not about that. It's about 4 elements, it's about dancing, expressing yourself, and doing what you have to do. So, top rock. Now, top rock consists of basic steps, such as, for example, like if I were moving like this. It's about like moving when you're up. Because basically when you dance, you spin or you're on the floor or doing something downstairs. Now, footwork, right here. When you go down, you start doing some transitions with your legs or with your hands, but you don't spin. You just spin around your angle with your foot. You make different transitions. So it's first 2 elements, basic elements, and those who start b-boying, they start usually from this. Now we have power moves and freezes. Now power moves and freezes are one of the most difficult moves in breakdancing or b-boying. It has its technique, execution, and dynamic style. Like if you have a good technique of how to do power moves and freezes, it always looks very good. Well, like if you do that, it's great technique and you can do it, but it requires a lot of skill. Now, power moves is when you spin. You spin on your head, on your back, on your other hand, on your wherever. What makes a flip or a dynamic move is called power move. Execution is actually a part of when you do some freezes or some moves into a beat. When you dance and you, for example, there was a beat and you made a freeze there. So it's called execution. Dynamic style is when you compare all your power moves, when you spin into one direction and you have a complete package of power moves. Musicality and sound. Now, most of the people who dance, who spin, they think that they can just dance and spin and they will be really cool. Yeah, they can be cool if they can spin like one hour on their head and do stuff, but only those b-boys who have a really good flow. What is a flow? A flow is when you combine all four elements like top rock, footwork, power moves, and freezes into one, and you have a really good transition. Foundation is about learning the basics. If you know where it has begun, if you know the top rock, 6 steps, like all those transitions, you have the foundation. And of course, your own style. All b-boys have their own style. I made this move, another b-boy will make a different move, and it will be absolutely different, and maybe I can't do it, but it's his own style. So this is called originality. Korean b-boys. Now, why Korean b-boys are so popular? Because they have insane power moves. I will show you. They have amazing flexibility. They can do such freezes like they put their leg on here, and I haven't seen something like that. And of course, they're winning all international competitions. We have best Korean b-boys like Hongtan. There's an event called Red Bull BC1. You know Red Bull drink, yes? So he organized BC1, which is called Breakdancing Championship. And they gather the best 16 b-boys in the world, and they battle together, and only one winner. So Hong Tan was the winner of 2006. Wing was the winner of 2008, and now we have Pocket, which is 14 years old. But when I will show you the video, what can he do? You will be like, this guy is insane. And of course, physics different more. Physics has crazy tricks. All b-boys are inspired by him. Differ is amazing with the original. If you would see his musicality and his original moves. And Born, who is actually a little old now, but he has perfect foundation. Okay, now best Korean quick cruise. Now, I don't know. Does anybody from Korean students know gamblers? You do. How do you know them?
Because they're famous.
Yeah. What did they do?
What?
What did they do?
Gamble.
To become famous?
Just access some television and YouTube, it's not that.
So they're famous just because of YouTube? Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. Because actually in Korea, the government, it's the only country where the government gives money for b-boys who get into competitions and get really high places. When they win something, they get some money from the government. It's only in Korea. And France, we have amazing people in the USA, but they don't do that. Now, Gamers has won Battle of the Year 2 times. The Battle of the Year is the most prestigious event in the whole world, which also collects the best crews. They make their showcases, and they managed to win it 2 times. Also, Expression Crew, Extreme Crew, and Last for One, Jinjo, all these crews also made it to the finals and won first place. So, you Korean students should be proud of these crews, even though that you're not, even though that you don't know what they are. Okay, let's go to some action. Dun, 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 dun.